Today I am going to explain top web application security risks. I will upload this document in the description. I will provide the link. Here first one is injection. Injection means this is SQL injection. Here untrusted data is sent to an interpreter as part of a command or query. Then attacker can access data without proper authorization. Next one is broken authentication. Here functions related to authentication are often implemented incorrectly. Then attackers are allowed to compromise passwords, keys, or session tokens. Then attackers can exploit the other implementation flaws because they compromise passwords, keys, or session tokens. Next one is sensitive data exposure. That means many applications APIs do not properly protect sensitive data such as finance, healthcare, etc. Then attackers may steal or modify such weakly protected data to conduct credit card or other crimes. Because these sensitive data may be compromised without extra protection, then you should encrypt those sensitive data or and also requires special precautions when exchanged with the browser. Next one is XML internal entities. Many older or poorly configured XML processors evaluate external entity reference within XML documents. Those external entities can be used to disclose internal files using the file URL, URI handler, internal file shares, internal fault scanning, etc. Next one is broken access control. Restrictions on what authenticated users are allowed to do are often not properly enclosed. Here in the applications, there are access levels. Then every users can't log, can't access everything in the site. Here, if there is broken access control, then attacker can access others' accounts and change their data and information. Next one is security misconfiguration. This is commonly a result of insecure default configurations, incomplete or ad hoc configurations, open cloud storage, misconfigured HTTP headers, and etc. For that, the updates for the application is must. Next one is cross-site scripting. Here, excesses occurs whenever an application includes untrusted data or updates an existing web page with user supplied data using a browser API that can create HTML or JavaScript. Here, XSS allows attackers to execute scripts in the victim's browser, which can hijack user sessions, or redirect the users to malicious sites. Next one is insecure deserialization. Insecure deserialization often leads to remote code execution. Here, even if deserialization flaws do not result in remote code execution, they can be used to perform attacks including replay attacks, injection attacks, and privilege escalation attacks. Next one is using components with known vulnerabilities. Here, here components such as libraries, frameworks, and other software modules run with the same privileges as the application. If a vulnerable component is exploited, such an attack can facilitate serious data loss or server takeover because same user current credentials, same privileges used in those sensitive libraries frameworks too. Then other thing is insufficient logging and monitoring. If there is a production server, we should monitor that server. If you not, then the attackers are trying to attack more and more because they know this server is not monitored, then they are freely hack that server. I think you understand about web application security risk. Please subscribe my channel.